Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. In yesterday classes, you have studied about HCF, LCM by prime factorization method and also HCF by liquid division algorithm. Now we are going to discuss about very important topic of this lesson is irrational number. Okay. In this lesson, we will discuss about irrational number and also their proofs. Okay. How can you prove that? Firstly, know what is irrational number. Okay, irrational number, you know that any number which are not rational are irrational number. That means that number which cannot be and with which cannot be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p q are integers are irrational number. In other words, that number whose decimal form is non-terminating or non-repeating are irrational number. In other words, the square root of non-perfect squares are irrational number. Like if m is a non-perfect square, then root m will be irrational number. What is non-perfect square? That number which cannot be written in the form of a square of natural number are non-perfect square, and the number which can be written as a square of natural numbers are perfect square. Just 4. 4 is a perfect square number because it is written as 2 plus square. 9 is a perfect square because it is a square of 3. 16 is a perfect square because it is a square of 4. But what about 15? 15 is not a square of any natural number, so it is not a perfect square. It is non-perfect square. Similarly, 24 is not a square of any natural number, so it is not a perfect square. That is, it is non-perfect square. Okay, so what is non-perfect square? You know, and what is irrational number? You also know. So irrational number is that number which cannot be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 or irrational number. Okay, अब irrational number कितने टाइप्स होते हैं? Irrational number are of two types. First, basic irrationals, and second, dependent या derived irrationals. बेसिक irrationals क्या होता है, derived irrationals क्या होता है? बेसिक irrationals like root 2, root 4, root 3, root 7, root 11, root 21, root 109, these all are basic irrationals. That means the square root of non-perfect squares are basic irrationals. Non-perfect square numbers का square root जो होते हैं वो basic irrationals होते हैं. Okay, example जैसे हो गए root 2, root 3, root 7, root 101, these all are basic irrationals. Okay, or derived irrationals. Derived irrationals are those irrational numbers which are made by operations between rational and irrationals. Okay, or irrational और irrational. Derived irrationals वो होते हैं जो दो irrationals या rational और irrational के बीच operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication या division के द्वारा बनते हैं. For example, इनके example हो सकते हैं जैसे 2 plus root 3, it is sum of rational and irrational. 9 root 3 by 2, it is also a derived relation. It is operation between rational and irrational. Okay, 1 by root 7, it is also a rational number, but it is derived rational number. Understood what irrational numbers are and which type of irrational number exist? Two, basic or derived. Basic, this or derived, which are formed by operation between two rational or irrational numbers. Okay. In next, we are going to talk about proofs of irrationality of these irrational number. Okay, ये जो 2 root 3 root 7 root 11 है इन सब का irrational number का proof, जैसे basic irrationals हो गए इनका proof, derived irrationals हो गए इनका proof हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसी वीडियो में देखेंगे. जस्ट वेट. पॉज. Okay. On going to proof of irrationality of irrational number, first we have to know what this theorem is. This theorem says that if p is a prime number and a belongs to n and p divides a square, then p divides a also. Meaning अगर कोई प्राइम नंबर किसी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर को डिवाइड करता है तो वो नंबर ऑल्सो उस परफेक्ट स्क्वायर के स्क्वायर रूट को भी डिवाइड करेगा। जैसे 3 36 को डिवाइड करता है, दैट मीन्स 3 डिवाइड 6 स्क्वायर, देन 3 ऑल्सो डिवाइड 6 एज यू सी। सिमिलरली 3 divides 3 another number like 4, okay, prime number, sorry. 5 divides 100, then 5 also divides 10. 100 is a square of 10, that means 5 divides 10 square, then 5 also divides 10, okay. Means if p divides a square, then p divides a also, okay. Next we will going to talk about directly proofs of irrational number. These are two types: fundamental, basic, or second one is derived. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. We have to prove that root 3 is an irrational number. It is a basic irrational number. Okay, we have to show root 3 is an irrational number. This type of problems will be solved by contradiction method. Contradiction method is that जो हमको प्रूफ करना है उसके जस्ट अपोजिट एज्यूम कर लेते हैं. For example, we have to prove it irrational. Then we will assume that root 3 is rational. Okay? If it is rational, then it holds their property. If it is not rational, then it contradicts its property. Okay? जिससे हमको पता चल जाता है कि रेशनल है कि नहीं. अगर ये रेशनल होगा, जैसे हमने assume किया है, if possible, let root 3 is a rational number of the form p by q where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are co-primes. अगर ये root 3 रियल में रेशनल होगा तो ये अपने रेशनलिटी की प्रॉपर्टी को फॉलो करेगा. अगर ये कंट्राडिक्ट करेगा आगे जाकर करेगा ही करेगा क्योंकि root 3 इज रेशनल नंबर. तो हम लोग इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स को कंट्राडिक्शन मेथड से सॉल्व करते हैं. कैसे, ध्यान दीजिए. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप एज्यूम करेंगे इफ पॉसिबल लेट root 3 इज a rational number of the form p by q where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are co-primes. Co-prime number होते हैं that number which have two numbers are said to be co-prime if they have no common factor other than 1. कोई भी दो नंबर co-prime होंगे अगर उनको 1 छोड़कर अदर कोई नंबर भी कॉमन फैक्टर ना हो. तो root 3 is rational number, so root 3 can be written as p by q. Next step is square both sides. जब स्क्वायर करेंगे तो root 3 square 3 and p by q square is equal to p square by q square. Then transposing by transposing p square is equal to 3q square. It is our first equation. In previous you have studied that if p is a prime number and it divides a square, then p also divides a. So here 3 is factor of p square, so 3 divides p square. So 3 divides p square. If 3 divides p square, then 3 also divides p. If 3 divides p, तो let p is equal to 3k. Okay? And 2 is and okay. So you may write p square is equal to 3k square. It is first equation. Here 3 is factor of p square, means 3 divides p square, and we previously know if p divides a square, then p also divides a. Here 3 divides p square, then 3 divides p also. Here 3 is factor of p, therefore let p is equal to 3k, where k is the constant. Okay, and put this value in equation first. You see, then 3k square is equal to 9k square is equal to 3q square. Okay, then q square is equal to 3k square. Here 3 is also factor of q square, that means 3 divides q square. Therefore 3 divides q also. Here we see there, when we see 3 divides p and q both. Okay, but in a starting case we assume that p and q are co-primes, but p and q have prime common factor 3. So it contradicts our assumption. So our assumption is wrong and 3 is a irrational number. Let's see. Here we see that p and q both have common factor 3, which contradict our assumption that p and q are co-primes. Okay, our p and q जो co-prime नहीं है यानी हमारे assumption होंगे. Hence, thus our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong, hence root 3 is an irrational number. Understood? That's your proof. तो इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स हो तो आप ऐसे बनाएंगे, यही एकमात्र वे है, ठीक है। तो पहले आपका एज्यूम करना है जस्ट अपोजिट रूट 3 इज अ रैशनल नंबर एंड राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p/q, और फिर सेकंड स्टेप में इसको स्क्वायर करना है, स्क्वायर करके इसको ट्रांसपोज कीजिएगा तो p² मिलेगा और उसको फर्स्ट मानेंगे। और यहाँ पे आप देख ही रहे हैं कि 3p² को 3p² का फैक्टर है तो 3 डिवाइड्स p²। अब जब 3p² को डिवाइड करेगा तो 3p को भी डिवाइड करेगा और उस p को 3 के मानेंगे और उसको फर्स्ट वाले इक्वेशन में डालेंगे जिससे हमको एक इक्वेशन और मिलेगा q² = 3k²। यहाँ से आप देख रहे हैं कि q² का भी फैक्टर है, जब 3q² का फैक्टर है तो 3 डिवाइड्स q² और 3 डिवाइड्स q² दैट 3 डिवाइड्स q आल्सो। तो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं, लेकिन हमने देखा कि p और q तो को प्राइम्स थे, but 3 is common factor of p and q. Okay, so our assumption is wrong, hence 3 is a rational number, irrational number, not a rational number. That's it. धन्यवाद। In discussed about proofs of some derived irrational numbers. Okay, they are more easier than this. Okay, with this you can easily solve root 3, root 7, root 11. बस नंबर चेंज होगा, रूट 3 है तो रूट 7 आ जाएगा, 7 है तो रूट 5 आ जाएगा, और जहाँ रूट 3 है वहाँ पे अगर रूट 5 को प्रूफ करना है तो जहाँ 3 है वहाँ पे 5 आ जाएगा, सेम प्रोसेस। ओके, अगर रूट 7 को प्रूफ करना है तो जहाँ 3 है वहाँ पे 7 डाल देंगे और सेम प्रोसेस, नथिंग विल बी चेंज, ओनली द नंबर विल चेंज। दैट मींस प्रोसेस सेम रहेगा और सॉल्यूशन एक ही रहेगा। दिस इज द वन मेथड टू प्रूफ irrational number. Okay, that these are proof of basic rationals. Okay, thank you, and next video we will discuss. Done.